Do you need a restricted radiotelephony license? Want to study for it online? Well, now you can, with designated radiotelephony examiner Tilani Lithgow, who has been approved by the Civil Aviation Authority. As part of the Flight Training Made Simple series, the new online restricted radiotelephony course is as enjoyable as possible, while maintaining all the information you need to know to pass your written and oral restricted radio exams. Sign up now and you will get access to the online course on PC or mobile with 15 individual online multimedia lessons, mock exams and quizzes after each lesson, and all your questions answered, as well as direct access to Tilani. Preparing for your restricted radiotelephony license has never been easier. Provided you put in the time to study, you can walk away with your restricted radiotelephony license in under a week. Tilani has been a flight instructor since 2002 and a radiotelephony designated examiner since 2008. This is what some of her students have to say about her. To study when it suits you, click the link in the description below to access the course.